Hey guys, how's it going? I just finished cleaning up my boat. Everything's stored nice and neat. And the neatest it's ever been, really. Emergency 5-pound anchor, even though it probably won't hold the boat. Ropes and straps under this. Just small tackle boxes, paddle, rod holders, batteries under here. Really, that's it. Rope to tie to the dock. Redid these straps so they're better now in the boat. Yeah, redid the straps so they're better on the boat. I've actually found this floating in Messanawall Reservoir. Got a flathead to check my battery, thermometer. Let's see. It'd be in the 80s. Spike. I don't know why. Tire pressure monitor. Oh, I cannot talk. Air pressure for my tire. Monitor that. Make sure you don't get flat. I'm going to be working on that tackle box. Trying to fit those two tackle boxes in. Got the ruler, 2 jugs of water over there. I don't know why I put 2 jugs of water. The rod building kit. The old tires that I'm going to use for spares. Hitch. Got my North Carolina rods set up over here. My river fishing rods over here. Catfish and 2 bass rods over here. That's really it. Can't get this stupid thing working though. Doesn't even want to start now.